Today, we're examining Antarctica, a continent that stands apart from the rest of the world. Its extreme conditions and unusual features have fueled speculation about a hidden past, possibly even ancient civilizations. In this discussion, we'll explore the evidence, from Antarctica's unique anomalies to historical expeditions, ancient maps, satellite discoveries, and a theory about its dramatic transformation. Antarctica spans 5.4 million square miles, making it the fifth largest continent. Approximately 98% of its surface is covered by an ice sheet, in some areas over 2 miles thick, containing 70% of Earth's fresh water. Temperatures regularly drop to -50 degrees Fahrenheit, and winds can reach speeds of 200 miles per hour. These conditions create an environment unlike any other, isolating Antarctica and preserving its secrets beneath layers of ice. Another anomaly involves cosmic rays. In 2016, the Antarctic Impulsive Transient Antenna, or ANITA, detected high-energy particles rising from the ice, opposite to the expected direction from space. Researchers have proposed explanations tied to rare physics phenomena, but some speculate these emissions could indicate an unknown source beneath the surface. While no definitive answer exists, this discovery adds to Antarctica's mystique. These natural features alone make Antarctica unique, but historical events deepen the intrigue. In 1946, the US Navy launched Operation High Jump, led by Admiral Richard E. Byrd. This expedition has become a focal point for questions about what lies hidden in Antarctica. Operation High Jump involved 4,700 personnel, 13 ships, and multiple aircraft. Its official purpose was to map Antarctica and establish a research base following World War II. Admiral Byrd, an experienced polar explorer, oversaw the mission, which began in August 1946. However, some accounts suggest the operation encountered unexpected challenges. Reports claim the task force withdrew earlier than planned, with losses of aircraft and personnel. A 1947 Chilean newspaper quoted Byrd, warning of advanced craft capable of traveling pole to pole at high speeds. Official records attribute the retreat to harsh weather, but speculation persists about encounters with unknown technology or forces, claims the US government has consistently dismissed. Additional intrigue comes from a supposed diary attributed to Byrd from a 1947 Arctic flight describing contact with an advanced civilization. Most scholars consider this document a fabrication, yet Operation High Jump's abrupt conclusion continues to raise questions about what was found or concealed. Beyond expeditions, historical maps offer another layer of mystery. Some suggest Antarctica was known and charted long before its official discovery in 1820, potentially in a very different state. The Piri Reis map, created in 1513 by Ottoman cartographer Piri Reis, is one such example. It accurately depicts parts of South America, but some researchers argue it also shows Antarctica's coastline free of ice, with features like rivers and mountains. Piri Reis noted he used older sources, possibly from antiquity. Similarly, the 1739 Bouaché map by Philippe Bouaché appears to portray Antarctica as two landmasses without ice cover. Mainstream historians attribute these details to errors or coincidence, but others propose they reflect knowledge of a temperate Antarctica lost to history. Modern science confirms Antarctica's ice formed over 34 million years ago, yet these maps challenge that timeline. If accurate, they imply someone mapped the continent in a vastly different climate, an idea that conflicts with conventional geology but persists in alternative theories. Fast forward to today, and satellite technology has revealed features in Antarctica that intensify the debate. Let's examine some of these findings. In 2016, satellite images from the Ellsworth Mountains revealed formations resembling pyramids. These structures have symmetrical sides, prompting speculation about artificial origins. Geologists explain them as nunataks, natural peaks shaped by erosion and wind over millions of years. Still, their precision has led some to question whether they could be remnants of a buried civilization. Other discoveries include linear patterns across the ice, resembling tracks or pathways. These differ from typical glacial features, leading to theories about ancient roads or walls preserved beneath the surface. Additional anomalies, like circular formations near research stations, have been identified, though scientists attribute them to natural processes or human activity. Despite these explanations, the images continue to stir discussion about what might lie hidden. These findings raise a critical question. Could Antarctica have supported life or even a civilization in the distant past? One theory attempts to answer this: crustal displacement. Here's how it works. In the 1950s, Charles Hapgood proposed that Earth's outer crust could shift over its mantle in dramatic movements, a process he termed crustal displacement. He suggested that Antarctica, now at the South Pole, might have once been located closer to the equator, experiencing a tropical climate with vegetation and possibly inhabitants. Hapgood theorized that a rapid shift around 12,000 years ago relocated the continent, freezing it almost instantly. He linked this idea to ancient maps and legends of lost lands. Evidence supports a warmer Antarctica in deep time. Fossils of tree ferns, fish, and dinosaurs confirm it was temperate millions of years ago. However, mainstream geology attributes this to slow continental drift via plate tectonics, not a sudden event. Hapgood's theory remains outside accepted science, but it offers a framework for interpreting the maps and anomalies as signs of a more recent, habitable past. Antarctica's story is one of extremes and unanswered questions. Its ice sheet, brutal weather, and cosmic ray emissions distinguish it from other continents. Operation High Jump hints at undisclosed discoveries. Ancient maps suggest knowledge of an ice-free landscape. Satellite images reveal puzzling formations, and the crustal displacement theory proposes a radical shift in its history. While conclusive evidence of an ancient civilization remains elusive, the data invites further investigation. Whether these are natural phenomena or traces of something more, Antarctica challenges our understanding of the past. What do you think lies beneath the ice? Share your thoughts, and we'll continue exploring these mysteries.